Hey guys, so this is gonna be the day 3 of my vlogmas. So I'm really gonna push this vlogmas. So it's gonna be late. I will upload this late tonight. Supposed to be yesterday. I'm going to vlog. We'll do unboxing, but Thri'a, she sleep early, so we could not do it. And now she's starting to wake up. Meet my little girl here. She's crying. What's wrong? What's wrong, Thri'a? She's crying. So later, when she wake up, she's gonna wake up now soon. I'm gonna take a picture of her because she's 1 month. She's 1 month yesterday. So yeah, I'm gonna take a picture of her to post on Instagram. So this one crying now. Hey. Oh my god. So this is just gonna be a what's happening on our day today. So come here.
바로 만나는 거 아니야?
Hello guys. Hello. So we're gonna do her 1-month-old photo shoot. There she is. Thri'a, look. Thri'a. That's my baby. So we're gonna change her first. So it's quite hard to vlog that she is like meet my baby. Meet my baby. Meet my baby. Hello. Hi. Hi, here's me. My name is Thri'a. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Say hi. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. How are you everyone? So today we are going to change her clothes to take a photo shoot. Yeah. I'm gonna take a photo shoot. Say hi. Hello everyone. Nah. Tummy time. Hi. Tummy time for me. Tummy time for me. So guys, I'll show you yung damit na isusuot niya for her 1 month. This one is a brown. I'll show it to you guys. Here. This is what she gonna wear. Yeah. So this is what she gonna wear. Yeah. So, we're gonna take a picture of her now. So, guys, I've done already. She's sleeping now. The struggle is real. It's quite hard to take a picture of her, to do these things, especially I'm just alone. I don't have anyone to help me to take a picture of her. But at least I get some good shot. Now I'm feeding her. And yeah, I hope you like this vlog. And this is the first time that is really showing her on my vlog. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next vlog. This is not gonna be so long. And hopefully next time when she's feel more I don't know. Maybe next time we'll have a long one, like a day with her. Basically she doesn't want to be sleep on her cot. She doesn't like sleeping alone, so she always want that I am next to her. So that's why I'm quite like really struggling for her. And she don't sleep like other baby like 3 hours straight. She's not like that. She's not like when she was a newborn, she sleep a lot. But now, no. So I will end this vlog na, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.